welcome back to my channel. Today I have recreated this look right here. I've seen it in Instagram. I will be putting the name of the girl who created this look down in my description box if you guys want to go check that out. This look was extremely easy to create. You can always customize the inner corner highlight to the color that you prefer. If you want to see how easy this look was to create, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up first and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. And now let's get ready to slay our face. Okay, let's take this off. I don't know, look beautiful. So in case you're wondering, I am using this brightening mask from Panda Eye. It's supposed to hydrate, soothe, and smooth tired looking eyes. Alrighty, let's get this face started. So I am going to go in with my favorite moisturizer at the moment. This is a sample that I picked up at Sephora just to try it out because a lot of girls say that it's really good, and I agree, it is. So I am going to be purchasing this when I'm done with it. For more hydration, I'm going to go in with Mario Badescu spray. Moving on to the glue that we're going to apply to our face. Well, primer. Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Oh my god, you guys, I am not kidding. I did not want this again. What the? We're ready. For foundation today, I'm going to be using this Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. I'm in this shade Cafe, in case you're wondering. Now to really cover up my panda eyes, I'm going to go in with Tarte Maracuja Creaseless Concealer. I put a lot, even though it doesn't look like a lot. But it's a lot. This is also going to be on my lids as primer. I've forgotten how good this concealer is. I love the fact that it's so hydrating, so it's not going to over dry your under eyes, so you're not going to have extra wrinkles there. Now to lock everything in place, I'm going to go in with Laura Mercier Translucent Powder as always. To lock the rest of my face in, so it won't move throughout the day, I'm going to go in with CoverGirl Clean and Matte Powder. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be going in with this huge ass palette. The 39 Ape Morphe palette, Dare to Create palette. Before I do start with my shadow, I'm going to quickly pick up some translucent powder and apply it at the edges. Now this eye look is super easy to create, so I'm going to go in with this shadow right here. You don't need this palette to recreate this. So this shade is a cool brown. This is going to go all over our crease. Bam, that quick, just that shadow. Now I'm going to pick up this shade right here. It's still a light brown, but it has some warmth in it. It has an undertone of orange in it. That's going to go right in our crease line. So that line, when I open up my eyes, that's where I'm going to apply this shadow at only. This is just going to give our eye a little bit of dimension. Switching brushes to this a brush from Ulta. I'm going to go on the all over side, this one right here, and pick up this bronzy brown shade, and this is gonna go all over a crease. There we go, we're done. That's all to it. That is so easy to create. Now for the bottom of my lash, it's exactly the same two shades that we put in our crease. Just smoke out the bottom and you're done. I'm going to pick up the first shade that we used with this fluffy pencil brush, and I'm going to smoke that out. Now the next shade. This is gonna go a little bit closer to my eyelashes. Picking up a black eyeliner, I'm going to I'm going to line my waterline. I'm going to pick up that brush again with no additional eyeshadow. I'm just going to smudge it. Now picking up another pencil brush, or you can use the one that you use for your lower lash. Just clean it up. And now this is when you get to pick which shadow you want in your inner corner. Since I am recreating her look, I'm going to pick up this blue shadow in the Jaclyn Hill palette and put it in my inner corner. It's not as popping as I want it to be, so I'm picking up this NYC, what is this, Multi Reflex. It's kind of like a loose pigment, and I'm going to apply it right on top of that. Now I'm going to load up on mascara. L'Oreal Paris waterproof, nope, not waterproof. I'm going to skip after this. Here we go. Not waterproof. I'm only going to put one coat because I'm putting falsies on. Okay, I picked up a little bit of dark brown and smoked out my bottom lash just a bit more. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using NYX brow gel. I'm obsessed with this. It's kind of like the Anastasia's dip brow, but in a tube, so it doesn't dry out. This one is dried out. I need to find an oil so I can bring it back to life. And while I do my eyebrows, I'm going to apply lashes. These are going to be the Eylure lashes in Marquise. There we go, we have eyebrows and lashes on. Now moving on to the face, because we have to snatch this face too. I'm going to go in the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Picking up this LA Color brush, I'm going to go in the dark shade right here. Just a little bit. I really want to cut my cheeks today, so we're going to apply this color first. Look right there. Next, picking up this Sigma brush right here, angled fluffy brush. I'm gonna go in the middle shade, and I'm going to blend that out. Damn, look at that cheekbone, look at that cheekbone. Now with that middle shade, I am going to do the rest of my face, my jawbone, and my forehead. Now to glow, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Now for lips, my current obsession, Jordana lip liner in Hot Cocoa, and Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in Unreal. There we go, you guys. This look is complete. I really hope you guys liked. If you did, please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. If you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel and join the Glam Squad. We are steadily growing here. And if you want to see more looks of mine, please check out this 2 videos that I am posting up right here for you guys. And I will see you guys in my next tutorial.